What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Asphalt StreetStorm. Yo, I'm here, Chris, and we're gonna go into the lobby to find some races, probably some cash race or pings. I don't know. Let's see what the game holds. Hopefully, we don't crash at all. So let's see what we have. We are basically going. We're just gonna try to challenge anyone, try to race with them. Ooh, that's quite high. It's quite high. Put up some bets. Right. I'm gonna go straight to pinks. Let's see what we get. Probably not. Yep, chicken out. Yeah. Alright. It's going challenging again. Try to race once again. If you refuse, I will accept. Challenge again. It's gonna be a normal race. I'm gonna try to put, let's see. Let's race again. The opponent is thinking. Come on. Really? Challenge again. If you refuse, then I will stop. Else I will continue challenging. Try again. Let's try again. Come on. Try again. Nah. Alright, that's enough. I'm gonna choose some other things. See what we get from here. Alright, normal race. Gonna drop gear. Alright, cool. So we won that. Go for the next one. Let's see what we have. Right, American muscle. Let's see if we can get something out of this. Gonna go for this pink slip. No, I'm not gonna accept that. There you go. Spin up. It's gonna be a normal race right now. Alright. Let's see. The thing is, I'm not really sure how much should I put on bets. I'm gonna place bets on pings. Let's see what we get. Nah, it's not gonna happen. There you go. Tony D, let's try you. Nope. Try again. See, this is the annoying part when you race in live races. I mean, multiplayer lobbies. It's very hard to get an opponent to race you. So far so good. Let's see. Oh, look at that. The time is stuck. Again, stuck. Alright, normal race. I'm gonna downshift in a while. I think that was too late. Too late of a downshift. I need to downshift a little bit more before the end. I always read the opponent's talk and weight. So from there I will let you know which is worthy to race. Lone Wolf. Let's see. Oh, everyone is busy. See what we can get from here. Alright, just a normal race. So I'm gonna delay in this race. Gonna make the opponent to go right ahead of us. I'm gonna delay a little bit. Let him pass through. Gonna give some gap over there. Then we go to the next one. I'm just gonna give some gap first. So let's find once again. Probably it's gonna put up some bets, I guess. Let's see. I think this is the one. Right, Romero. I'm gonna go for pet. Don't think so he's gonna accept. Nope. Chicken. Alright, this is the guy that we raced earlier on. Are we gonna bet or what? Nope. Pure race. Nobody wanna accept the things. If you guys are wondering why am I doing that, basically I'm just giving some space. Let's see. From here, I'll race again with him. I'm just trying to get some pings. Let's try again. Alright, if I still don't get what I need in this round, I'm just gonna blast. Let's go for it. No nos. Alright, opponent has failed. I can tell you that he's watching my time right now. Right, so he false start. Let's see. That's the guy that we raced earlier on. So I'm gonna put him to rest for a moment while we race with some other peeps. Let's see what we can get. Still normal race. I'm just keeping some space. I'm not gonna hit the nose unless I have to. Let's see, who can we race? I'm not sure if this is the one. It's not gonna race. I do not have that power though. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. The energy is not being used. Oh, I screwed. I am screwed. Yep. Finally I lost my BRZ. But anyway, taking that as a pride. Whatever comes along the way, we lost. I will recreate another BRZ. And I'm gonna bring that to you guys in the next upcoming video. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Finally, I've lost my BRZ after so much of winning out there. Let's see where we go in this upcoming video. Alright guys, so with that, I'm Chris, and this is Asphalt StreetStorm, and I'm out guys. Peace.